Hey there, dream of being a top trader? This video is for you. I'm about to share a strategy using 2 free indicators that could help you make some serious cash. Right now, we're currently observing the Bitcoin chart on a 15-minute time frame. Feel free to choose any chart that suits your trading style. Now let's add the Ichimoku Cloud with cross and squeeze signal indicator to our chart. The Ichimoku Cloud with cross is a comprehensive indicator that provides information about support and resistance, trend direction, and momentum all at once. Once you've added the indicator to your chart, it's time to adjust its settings. The first step with the indicator is to identify the trend based on the position of the candles relative to the Ichimoku Cloud. So we consider trend to be upward and have bullish momentum if the candles are positioned above the Ichimoku Cloud, regardless of the cloud's color. Similarly, if the candles are below the Ichimoku Cloud, we identify the trend as downward and having a bearish momentum. This indicator also prints buy and sell signals on the chart. However, to effectively use these signals, you need to stick with me as I guide you through the necessary points to avoid losses. In the next step, we need to add the GMC Trend ribbon indicator to our chart. Also, after adding it to the chart, we need to modify its settings in a way that harmonizes with the first indicator. The GMC Trend ribbon indicator is made of color-coded bars that reflect whether the momentum is bullish or bearish. In this system, green bars represent bullish momentum while red bars signal bearish momentum. Now let's talk about rules for entering the trade. For a buy trade, first ensure the market is trending upward. Then look for a bull signal from the Ichimoku Cloud. Finally, check the second indicator. If it aligns with the Ichimoku Cloud, so now you're ready to enter the trade. Remember, setting a stop loss is crucial. You can set this based on the recent swing. And when it comes to your target, aim for the risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. And to initiate a short trade, start by confirming a downward trend in the market. Next, keep an eye out for a bearish signal from the Ichimoku Cloud. After that, cross-verify with the second indicator. If it concurs with the Ichimoku Cloud, you're all set to enter the trade. Don't forget, it's essential to set the stop loss, which can be based on the recent swing. As for your target, strive for a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Want to know more? Check out this recommended video where we'll reveal all the details. Happy trading!